Hey y'all, it's your girl Skyla, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are making a vase, doing something new with sublimation, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'm wiping it off with some alcohol and paper towel to get all of the fingerprints and all of my oils off of it, so yeah. Now, for those of you that are new here, that is my daddy. Unfortunately, he passed away December 3rd, 2020 from a blood infection. I forgot the name of it, but yeah, I'm making this vase for him because his anniversary is coming up. His death anniversary is coming up this Saturday. So I wanted to make this vase and see how it come out. There's not that many videos on YouTube about it. And as you can see, the pictures was kind of big, so yeah, I was struggling a little bit. So I had to go back to the drawing board and make the pictures a little bit smaller and tape them onto the vase. Now, I'm used to sublimating on tumblers, so I know that it has to be like tighter than tight for you not to get no air pockets, fading, ghosting, and all of that stuff. So that's what I'm doing right here, just making sure that the pictures fit and the tape was as tight as I can get it on the vase without breaking it. Now they do have a template, but the template was kind of like weird. I wasn't sure how to use the template, and it was like kind of off. It wasn't straight, it was like slanted. I don't know how to use the template, so yeah. And they also have a shrink wrap for it, but for some reason the tumblers come with the shrink wrap, but the vase didn't. You had to buy that separate, and I wasn't doing all of that. So this was my first time. I would recommend, if you wanted to try this, to get the shrink wrap, but I had already ordered the vase and would have had to wait for it to come in the mail, and I wasn't trying to do that. So here all of the pictures are on the vase, and I just decided to put little hearts around it to give it some razzle dazzle.
bound only by frozen memories. Get away, get lost. It's fine. Racing all these broken dreams tonight.
I'm just showing y'all where all of the hearts are and everything, and that is my convectional oven that I use strictly for sublimation. I don't use this convectional oven for anything else. I believe I had it on 400 degrees for 18 minutes. If I'm not mistaken, I think that's what it was. 400 degrees for 18 minutes, and halfway through I rotated the vase, so the part that's on the bottom will rotate to the top or to the other side, to the back. But I use this convectional oven to make my tumblers and everything else for sublimation. So after it finished baking, I let it sit for a little while, and now I'm about to take it out and unreveal some of the stuff on camera. It was extremely hot, so I had to be very careful. As you can see, I have my heat resistant gloves on, and I am using one of the things I use to like weed out my vinyl with, to take the taper loose and the sublimation paper, and that's one of the hearts and how it came out. I'm just gonna do this part right now, but I just wanted to let it, when I took it out, I wanted to see, I was so anxious to see if it sublimated and how it was gonna look. I just started peeling stuff off, but eventually I wait till it cools down. So it is now cooled down completely, and I wanted to take everything off. So that's just me using my weeding tool to take it off and reveal all of the sides of the vase. So that is the last side that I am peeling off. If I was to make this vase for a person to sell it, I would order the shrink wrap when I order it, because I did notice that the ink basically blew out on the sides from the tape. I don't know if it was because I rotated. I have no idea, but you can't really tell unless you're like up close on it that you can see the ink on the sides. But this is the vase for my dad. I'm super excited and happy for it. I made it myself, and yeah, it's time for his anniversary.